It was a breakthrough study that explained why some people bounce back from stressful events while others do not. In 2003, researchers reported a single gene helps determine someone's risk of depression after losing a job or ending a marriage. Now, a new report published in the Journal of the American Medical Association refutes that. Epidemiologist Kathleen Marikangas at the National Institute of Mental Health led the new study. She wanted to reproduce the first study.
We then decided to look at all of the published studies that had addressed the question of the link between the serotonin gene and life events on depression.
Serotonin is a chemical that helps send signals from one area of the brain to another. It helps regulate appetite, sleep, and mood. The researchers analyzed 14 earlier studies on the topic, involving more than 14,000 participants. Marikangas found no evidence that the serotonin gene increased a person's risk for depression, either by itself or in combination with stressful life events.
Many studies that had claimed to confirm the original findings really did not provide sufficient evidence that the original finding was true.
Marikangas says her analysis verified a portion of the earlier finding. It shows that stressful life events like a job loss or a divorce significantly raises the risk of depression. But she says the conclusion of the 2003 study was premature.
Although there's a lot of progress in genetics in terms of understanding some of the genes that confer risk of many diseases, such as diabetes and cancer and heart disease, at this point in time, we have not yet identified genes that can be used to provide a valid diagnostic test or genetic test that will predict whether you are at risk of developing depression.
Scientists say more research and better research is needed to establish a connection between genes and mood. Carol Pearson, VOA News.